Today we are preparing Vangi Bath. For this we need chana dal, urad dal, coriander, dried red chilies, black pepper, stone flour. For this we need to add chana dal in an iron pan and fry it. Now fry urad dal till it became brown in color. Now add 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan and fry coriander seeds. In the same way, now add hing and cinnamon sticks and fry them. Now add dry grated coconut into the pan and fry it. Put all the fried items and grind it into a fine powder. Now we prepare tadaka. Put oil in a steel vessel. Now add cumin seeds, curry leaves and coriander leaves. Add pinch of turmeric. Lightly roast them. To this add potato, brinjal, soaked green peas, salt for taste. To this add Wangli bath powder and fry it well. Now we have to prepare rice with previously soaked brown top millet. Boil water in a pot and put the previously soaked brown top millet to it. We can also add 1 teaspoon of oil to make the rice fluffy. Take the cooked rice in a separate bowl. Now mix the previously prepared tadaka into the millet rice and mix it well. Delicious brown top millet wangi bath is ready.